Alright, what's up guys? Prometheus here, and today we'll be working on a big project here now. We have this old piece of junk laptop that I have installed Linux on. We're going to try to make this into like a kiosk. As you can see, I just 3D printed this frame, and we'll see what we can do. And I'm hoping to learn something and show you guys what we come up with.
So, I was fortunate to have this Wacom tablet to me. I didn't expect for it to be as useful as it is. I start my design concept with a kindergarten sketch, just to get my ideas done before I forget. The concept of this design for the kiosk is an old eerie wall with a mirror mounted on it. First time with really working with Unreal Engine, so I am not sure what to expect. The mirror itself will act as an information center. For example, reminders, calendar, etc. could be displayed here. I want to have some special effects. My crazy ideas were moisture or fog coming off the mirror to sell the realism of an actual mirror. The mirror can't be just any mirror. My idea is to make it dark and mysterious.
Stay tuned for more